I wanted to do a fucking video about this thing what these people do when someone fucking signing, how they fucking making fucking knockings all the time. Is that fucking alright? When somebody's fucking masturbating. Do you understand what these fucking people fucking do? They doing just so much fucking shit. I'm losing my third fucking house because of those fucking people. They has been just making me fucking mad. And I has been losing my 3 fucking houses because of those. I don't give a shit. You're gonna know who I am. Yes, I'm a fucking prophet. Yes, I'm a fucking God's son. And they're treating me like a fucking ass. Unbelievable fucking shit what those fucking people do. Like, fuck you and your city fucking lines. You that want that fucking city fucking line. And you that fucking force that shit. Well, just fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, off. Fuck you, you don't understand shit. I'm sick. I can getting an ADD. I forget everything. I can fucking follow through the things because there is many kind of things where I need to move. First there, then there. Like this. I need to dig in deep. I need to be top of those things. And I can't fucking work like that. So I could fucking beat that man. So I can't fucking move like that. And those people, what they do, bully at me 24/7, day after fucking nights. I'm fucking done for your fucking shit. Fucking USA, you are just so fucking annoying fucking people. I fucking hate that shit what you fucking do. You and your fucking shitty fucking lines. You're just so fucking annoying. Nyt mä joudun vittu käymään jossakin vittu A-klinikalla, saatana. Mä joudun alkaa käymään jossakin vittu A-klinikalla, saatana. Vittu A-klinikalla, saatana. Joka vittu viikko, koska mä saan päihdekuntoutasunnon. Sen takia, kun nämä vittun kusipäät on saatana vienyt mun vittu asunnot, vittu. Vittu saatana, mä pusken tän vitun video joka vittu ikisen paikka. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, joka vitun paikka saatana. Joka vittu ikisen paikka. You just fucking ruin people's life. You ain't fucking do shit, nothing else. You just fucking ruin people's fucking lives. Do you understand that, motherfucker?